everyone, welcome to Fat Bomb Friday. Told you we were going to give you a few recipes, so we're going to try this. These that I'm going to start with: cream cheese, jalapeno, bacon, fat bombs. They're very easy to make and so good. Definitely satisfying. So if you're on this keto plan like we are, these are great because when you get hungry, you just want to have a bite of something. These are perfect. So I've already softened my cream cheese, 8 ounces of cream cheese. Kind of mush that around a little bit. I've got 2 jalapeno peppers chopped up. I'm gonna stick those in there. Come on, gotta have them all because they're spicy. We like spicy. And a teaspoon of parsley flakes. Makes it look pretty and green. And then we have a half a teaspoon each of onion powder and garlic powder and salt and pepper to taste. Not much salt and pepper. You're good with that. Come on. There we go. So we mix all that up. Pretty easy, especially when it's so smooth, or soft rather. We need to keep it really small, soft. You can kind of see it making a nice mixture in there. All your stuff mixed in. You can do it with your hands if you want. I'm not a big hands-on person, and if I do, I usually put like gloves on because I don't like it getting underneath my fingernails. That's just me. So I'll be getting some gloves before I make the actual balls here because I just have to. Sorry, people. So what's not to like about cream cheese and bacon? Come on. And if that's a diet, I'm in. And we can maybe get it all in on one. All right, I'm gonna get myself some gloves, make some balls out of these. Okay, get my plate. I'll be right back. All right, so we're gonna take this. Does it? Might have to put it in the fridge a little bit if it's a little bit too soft. We're really close on the softness here. You just pick some up and put it in there. You roll it in the bacon. You see that? Kind of mush it on there. And that's it. That's how easy these are. And it makes about, depending on how big you make them, I only use like maybe a teaspoon. You could use a tablespoon. You can make them as big as you want or as small as you want. They're great appetizers if you want to if you're going to a party and you need to make something. These are great because everybody loves them. You put a toothpick in the top and it's awesome, awesome. All right, so I'll finish these up. We'll come back, I'll show them to you, and then we'll taste one. All right, so that took maybe about 5 minutes or so, but wanted to save you that. So anyway, we're done with all this stuff. We'll set that aside. I just stick some toothpicks and stick them in. And like I said, these are a little soft. I would put these in the fridge to kind of firm them up a little bit before you actually like served them. So we'll just make them real pretty. And they are ready to go. Look at that. Party on a plate. Right there, baby. See? And they are so good. So delicious. Thanks for watching. It's Ocean Views 53. We appreciate you. And if you would like to subscribe, please do. If you want to see some more of this, I'm ready to do some more. It's really kind of fun. And I'm not a cook, so believe me, this is easy stuff. Easy stuff. So anyway, subscribe. Hit the like button, click on that little bell icon. It'll tell you when we get our next video up if you do that. Make sure you do a comment because I'd like to know what you think. And if you've tried it, let me know. And if you want to see something else in particular, let us know that too because I'm happy to do that. We're going to show you some of the snacks we've bought because I can't make them very well. So there are some that we've purchased that are good too for keto. Anyway, like, subscribe, and have a great day. Thanks, guys.